kids, it's the incredible Steel Awesome here. You already know that I've done some pretty amazing things. Ha! Oh, whoop, whoop, ah.
Whoa!
Yes, I just did that. And I could do it again, but instead I've been working hard on the most amazing stunt the world has ever seen.
More amazing than that?
Yes, more amazing than that. So I would like to invite anyone with a thirst for thrills to come and see me perform my new stunt live Friday at the Wheelford Adventure Park. It'll be awesome. Steel awesome.
Whoa! Did he say he would be in Wheelford? Uh-huh. Did he say Friday? Uh-huh. Isn't today Friday? Mm-hmm. We have to be the first ones there. Yeah! I'll be first in line. Over my flat tire. Let's try that again. We should go one at a time. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Starting with me. Hey, wait up! He's good. I can't wait to see Steel's new stunt. Once I saw him do a hyperspin. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's harder than it looks. I'm okay. I want to see his drift. I'm okay. I hope it's some kind of wheelie-stoppy combo. Whoa! Whoa! That would be awesome. Whoa! What kind of move is that, Loop? It's not a move. Something weird is happening. Oh, no. Your back tyre is flat. No, it can't be. Flat suffer bikes who aren't in a big hurry to see Steel Awesome. See? Not flat. Let's go! We need to get you to Maxwell's. There's still time if we hurry. Come on, I'll give you a lift. Finally here! Carrying you is grinding my gears.
What is this? Cheese?
Yeah, maybe a little creamy garlic dipping sauce in there too. What are you doing here?
My tyre's flat. I need Maxwell to fix it.
Oh, I'll be right with you, Loop, as soon as I fix up your brother. Pepperonis?
Yep, I ran over an extra large with double pepperoni and anchovies. So we're just getting started.
But I can't wait that long. We have to get to the park to see Steel Awesome's new stunt.
Steel Awesome? Here, in Wheelford?
It's a big deal. He might be at the park right now.
Well, that doesn't happen every day. Oh, hurry. In the meantime, Loop, try to stay off that back tyre. We don't want you to make it any worse, do we?
Looks like I'm stuck here. You guys should go ahead without me. Nuh-uh. No way. Buddies never leave a bike behind. You're coming with us, Loop. Just need to work out how to get you there. Wait. I have an idea. Woohoo! Whee! Bike trailer? Why haven't we done this before?
Watch out! Coming through! Sorry, guys. In a hurry. Did you know Steel Awesome's in town?
Yeah, we're on our...
Can't talk. Steel Awesome. Yeah. Whoa-hey!
We have to floor it, or we're going to miss the show. We need to gear up.
Hang on, Luke. I'm about to show this road who's boss. It's me. I'm boss.
We made it! We didn't miss the show! See, Loop? I told you we'd get you here in time. Oh, no. What's wrong? Loop is gone. He must have fallen out on the way here.
Come to think of it, the trailer did feel lighter. I thought I was just getting stronger.
We have to find him. If we hurry, we can still have him back in time for the stunt.
That was fun! Ricky! DJ! Scootio! Where is everyone? We're at Still Stunt Show! We made it! Wait a minute. I'm not there. I didn't make it at all.
I'll get there somehow. Leave it to Loop.
Because there's nobody else here to leave it to.
Where is he? We've looked everywhere.
Bikes don't cheer like that for just anybody. That must be...
Still Awesome just got to the park.
You can't do stuff like that when we're not there. Somebody tell him we're not there.
We have to find Loop.
We're going to miss the show.
It doesn't matter. We have to keep looking. Let's zoom out.
La 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 loo, la 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 loo. I could do this all day. Yay!
These tyre marks are fresh. They're Loops. We're getting close. Whoa!
Hey!
Loop!
What are you doing here?
We're looking for you.
But
Then you're missing still. Climb on, Loop, and let's zoom out.
we're here! Let me off! Let me off! Ah!
Whoa! Can you guys believe he did that? Best thing I ever saw. Still Awesome is a legend.
Well, guess we missed it. All because of my flat tyre. I guess we should go.
Yeah.
It's all over. Come on, Loop. Let's get you back to Maxwell's and get your tyre fixed.
Whoops!
Sorry.
Sorry, kid.
Steel Awesome.
Well, that's what they call me. Sometimes they call me the Incredible Steel Awesome. But you don't have to.
I'm your biggest fan. You're amazing.
Hey, thanks. Right back at ya. How'd y'all like the show?
We didn't.
We weren't.
I had a flat.
Yeah, pretty amazing, right? Maybe my best ever, except for that ending. Still needs something. Anyway, catch you later.
Wait a minute.
Huh? Hey, do that again, kid.
You mean this?
Yeah? That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes. Wow. Steel Awesome! Can you believe it, Lou? He got that from you!
I made Steel Awesome even more awesome.
That was some serious air.
Awesome! So looped! Best thing I ever saw!
And thanks for getting him here. You know, a bike is nothing without a crew. And it looks like you're a pretty great one.
Official Steel Awesome crew badges! Wow.
See you around.
Best day ever! Getting a flat tire was the best thing that ever happened to me. But I should probably get it fixed, right? Yes, definitely, Luke.
No tornado can outrun me. Steel Awesome! A tornado and a volcano at the same time? Time to bring on the Mega Astro Rocket Blaster Hang Glider. Steel Awesome is go for launch. Steel Awesome is always go. Imagine if that was me!
Ricky, it's an emergency!
An emergency? What is it? Tornado? Volcano? Both? This is the emergency.
I need to finish this kite for my school project. That's kind of an emergency.
Okay. What's wrong with it?
What's the one thing kites are supposed to do?
Fly?
Right, it doesn't do that. Plus I wanted it to be pink. Pink is my favourite colour. Nothing says toot like pink.
Toot! I think I can help.
Really? Oh, thanks, Ricky. You're the best big brother ever.
Never slow down. Never stop. It's finished. Are you ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Oh, I just know my teacher's going to love it.
Well, here it is.
Is my kite behind that one?
This is your kite. I just made it better, like you wanted.
This is what I wanted.
Halt! You are not authorized to approach.
But you're my kite. Why is my kite being mean to me?
It always says that. Come on, you've got to try flying it. You just need practice. Here, watch how I do it. Steel Awesome away! See? You're going to have the best kite in the class.
Really? Well, maybe if it was pink.
Whoa! Whose kite is that? It's Toots. That's Suits.
That's
Good
great,
job.
Toots. Thanks. Ricky helped a little.
Are you going to put a spoiler on like Steel Awesome suit?
I've got some lights and scanners you can attach to it.
It should have fire on the wings. Painted on. Probably not real fire, right?
I don't know. It's probably good enough already.
Come on, Toot. Don't you want it to be even better? Let's go!
Can it be pink? Ricky? Hello?
I love that idea.
Everywhere.
So cool.
Guys, what's happening? Hello? I found pink paint.
Suit, you are not going to believe this kite.
I already don't.
Oh, there are some spare tires over here.
Why does a kite need wheels?
Toot, you're going to love this.
Hey, Toot. What do you think of this idea? A launch pad, just like Steel Awesome's. That way, you don't need anybody to launch the kite for you.
Will that be pink?
She likes it. Well, let's get building. There. How's that?
Ready for launch.
It's like watching a Steel Awesome movie, except it's really happening. Prepare to be amazed.
What do you think, Toot? Your teacher's not gonna believe it.
Halt! You are not authorized to approach.
Where's the string?
Oh, yeah. That's the best part. It doesn't need a string anymore. You fly with it, just like Steel.
But I don't want to fly. The kite is supposed to fly, not me.
There's nothing to it. Here, I'll show you. Steel Awesome, go! For launch. Steel Awesome is always go.
Ooh, he said what Steel says.
Toot, make sure you watch so you can do this at school.
Steel Awesome, away!
Steel Awesome away!
Wow!
Come on, follow that Steel.
Whoa! I've done some awesome things, but this is the awesomest! What's that Steel in the sky? Steel Awesome!
What about my project?
Don't worry. Back soon. Boom! I guess I should bring Toot's project back to her. In a minute, yeah! Let's see. What would Steel do right now?
Help! Somebody please help!
He'd help. That's what he'd do. Speed check. Spoiler up. Visor on. Gadgets, go!
There's a pothole and I can't get through. This is the worst thing that has ever happened to anyone.
Is that Steel Awesome?
Grappling hook, go!
Is that your anti-gravity beam?
It is. Steel Awesome is lifting me with his anti-gravity beam. Woohoo! This is the best thing that has ever happened to... Oh, it's over. Thank you, Steel Awesome. Oh. I went the wrong way, didn't I?
Steel Awesome on patrol. Wherever there is someone in need, he'll be there.
Where are you, Ricky?
Sorry.
Huh? 43, 44. I could have been a circus clown. But no, had to be a police officer. What's that? Impossible. This is Officer Bunker reporting a code. A code? There is no code for this. It's Steel Awesome.
When the law needs help, just watch for the Steel.
Engine trouble.
Oh no! I need to go back! the Steel Land! The comics never show how he lands. That's cheating!
Ricky, look out!
Oh no!
Caution! Tree!
Hold on, Ricky! Toot, did you see? Isn't it perfect? It's going to be the best kite in your class.
I guess.
Don't worry, it's not too broken. We can fix it up. All right, guys?
Yeah!
Don't bother.
What's wrong? You don't want the kite anymore?
I never wanted that kite. I wanted my kite.
But this one is better.
It's not even a kite. You didn't listen to one thing I said. It's not even my favourite colour. Nothing says toots like pink.
Ah! Hey, bike buddies! We've got a kite to fix.
Yeah, we know.
No, not that kite. Toot's kite. You said you wanted pink. What else?
And it has a tail, and it flies really well. I designed it myself. But my big brother helped to build it, and his friends. I will now demonstrate how it works. Stand back, please.
Way better than Steel Awesomes.
I don't need Steel Awesome. I already have a hero, my big brother.
Camera rolling. And action. Hi, it's me, Ricky Zoo.
Wait, Luke, we need sound.
Whoa! Sorry, Ricky, that was me. Rolling. Hi, I'm Ricky Zoo, but you probably recognise me better when I do this. And I'm the star of our movie about my town, Wheelford.
Huh? Whoa! That's enough special effects, DJ.
You can never have enough special effects. Yeah!
OK, class, you've got the rest of the day to finish your movies about Wheelford. And the winning movie will be shown on the big screen at the Wheelford Bikin Movie Theatre. Enjoy your movie making.
Me? On the big screen? Let's go, bike buddies!
Yes!
That's good. Can you do it again? Faster. I can always be faster. Vroom!
Hey, Ricky. It looks like you're making a movie. I love movies. Can I help? I can help.
Sure. You can be in charge of, lights.
Light it up.
Maybe a bigger light.
Got it. Maybe Maxwell has one.
Maxwell. Roll it, Scootio.
Action!
To find out how Wheelford got to be so great, we need to ask someone who's lived here a long time.
How do I look? No, you can't see the dent in my fender, can you?
Maxwell, of Maxwell Service Station. Tell us about Wheelford and how it got started and stuff. Oh.
This scene needs music.
Well, a long time ago, my dad, Maxwell Sr., opened up a garage right here. When the town was just starting out. And, oh, come
garage that helped make Wheelford the great town it is today. Great story, Maxwell.
Yeah, I can tell it again in close-up if you want.
Cool, Toot.
I look good in close-up.
Oh, Toot. Not a light. Not a light. Ooh, what's this?
Oh! What's happening? Am I doing something funny?
Toot is so funny.
Can I see what we've got on the camera so far? The stuff with me and Maxwell.
Yeah, okay. Let me find it. Not that. That was the best.
Did you get any video of me?
Oh, yeah, totally. Let me just... maybe no. Hold on. Not a lie. There's got to be.
Good in close-up.
Oh, this
Good in
one.
close-up.
No. No.
Oh, these are all shots of Toot.
Sorry, Ricky. She was really funny.
Yeah. I almost flooded my engine laughing.
I wasn't trying to be funny. I was trying to get a light so I could make a movie with you guys. And I did! Yeah!
Well, let's go interview Officer Bunker. And this time, keep the camera on the real action, okay?
Oh!
Officer Bunker, what do you think is the best thing about Wheelford?
Well, let's see. Wheelford, well, there's not much traffic. Just the occasional speedster.
Do you give people tickets?
Yes, when they break the rules.
Can you show us? Give me a ticket. It'd be great for our movie.
Well, I'm only allowed to give tickets when a rule has been broken. That's also a rule.
Please! It's for our school project.
It can get shown on the big screen.
On the big screen, eh? Well, maybe just this once.
Fantastic!
Ricky Zoom, I am giving you a ticket for... What's the ticket for?
Being awesome.
We don't give tickets for that.
Just pretend.
It's pretty awesome.
Oh, got it. I am giving you a ticket for being awesome.
What a cool machine!
I'm sorry, Officer Bunker, but I just can't stop.
Hey, wait, just 1 minute, Toot.
She's doing that thing again. But she's funny.
Yay! That's official police equipment.
Stop in the name of the law.
That's enough now, Toot. Those are for police officer use only.
I'm Sergeant Toot, and you need a ticket.
No more tickets.
This is great! I'm getting it all on camera.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Second funniest is the look on Ricky's face right now.
Oh, wait. That's not funny.
Why do you look like that?
Oh, aren't we forgetting what this movie's supposed to be about?
You?
Yes! I mean, no. It's about Wheelford. Hey, I know what would be great. What's Wheelford without its awesome team of rescue bikes?
I'm sorry, Ricky. We can't do an interview right now. We're on our way to an emergency.
Loop, your dad got stuck in a pothole on his mail route.
Yeah, he does that a lot.
Can we come? Please? It could be a big rescue scene for our movie.
All right, but make sure to stay clear of the rescue, honey. Wouldn't want to be pulling you out of that pothole too.
Zoom on! Our movie's gonna be great! Zoom-tastic!
What can I say? It's the Hoopla family curse. We just don't see potholes until we're in them.
Go on, we'll throw you a line.
Yeah! We'll get you out of there in a flash!
No wonder he fell in. It's all oily here.
Here she goes again.
Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
Okay then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole!
Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me, film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. This is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say.
Wheelford is great for so many reasons. But what makes it special are the people in it. Friends.
And family.
Wait! There's still some special effects! Too much? Scootio, we're here. You ready to go? We've got a lot of work to do for Maxwell's birthday party. Scootio?
He's not here.
I'm hiding.
Who are you hiding from, Scootio?
Oh, you found me! I just taught the Scoot Bobs how to play games, like hide and seek and tag. Want to play?
Tiny robot hide and seek? I do!
Maybe later. We have to get to the clubhouse. DJ and Loop are already getting things ready.
Maxwell's party! I almost forgot! You Bops head back home. More games later. Come on, we have a party to set up. Vroom! Happy birthday, Maxwell!
Happy birthday, Maxwell! We're getting the party ready now. No peeking until tonight.
Oh, all right, you lot. My eyes are sealed. I'm fine.
Oh, cool! mechanical mat that ever... matted. That's not all.
Oh, yeah!
I love it.
It's beautiful!
Whoa! Great job with the decorations.
Hey, you've got to see the photo booth. Come on, this way.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Do I really look like that?
You look exactly like that.
Okay. Now, who's going to work the DJ booth?
Me? You think just because my name is DJ, that I'll be going to work in the DJ booth? All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey! I am!
Okay, save it for later. We need snacks and drinks. And oh, Luke, did you order that cake yet? What was that?
A balloon blew up all by itself and popped.
Really? All by itself?
Yep, just pop. Did you get self-popping balloons?
Everything's okay. Toots just popped a balloon.
No, I didn't. But if I didn't, who did? Is anybody here? Are you hiding? What was that? There's definitely somebody here, but I can't see them. Because they're invisible. I'm going to have to catch the invisible somebody myself. I know you're here. I can hear you.
Oh, not looking! Not until tonight! Now! Whoa!
Huh? Toots!
I didn't do it. It was somebody invisible.
My fireworks! All gone!
What do you mean, Toot? Like an invisible friend?
They are not my friend, but they are invisible.
I made up an invisible friend once. His name was Wheelie. Wheelie.
You made him up.
Yeah, but I still hope wherever he is, he's happy.
Cake delivery!
All right!
Hey guys, usually I don't deliver cakes because they're easy to drop. The slides and wobble can make... What I was just talking about is happening!
Oh no, Maxwell's cake.
This party is a mess. I don't know what happened. Something went right in front of me. I didn't even see it.
That's because it's invisible. Do you believe me now?
What if Toot's right? What if she really does have an invisible friend who's trying to ruin the party?
They're not my friend.
If it's true, then we have to stop it.
Before it wrecks everything.
Totally.
So you believe me?
I think I do. I believe you. Bike buddies, wheel it in. Yeah.
River. Yes.
cleaning this up. I'm eating it up.
Follow that box! It got away! There it is! Let's try to surround it! Whatever this thing is, it's fast! But not as fast as me! Got it!
Did we get it?
I don't see it.
Nobody does! That's what invisible means!
No, because it got away.
Scootio's right. There's nothing there. Oh no! It's back in the clubhouse. Come on!
What's going on?
No! Stop! You're invisible! Why would you need a photo booth?
Wait a minute. That looks like
A scoot bop.
a scoot bop. It's not invisible. It's a scoot bop, and it's playing tag. This whole time, it was trying to play.
Can you turn it off?
Not without catching it first.
Well then, I guess we're playing tiny robot tag.
Whoa! I'm coming to get you! Loop's coming! Yeah! It's headed for the DJ booth!
Cutie. Good job, Toot. Okay, little Bop. Time for a nap.
Now that we have Toot's friend under control, we better get to work cleaning up the party zone.
What a disaster!
Yeah, and with the fireworks used up, we don't even have a present for Maxwell anymore.
Maybe the Bops can help. What are you thinking, Toot?
Can I open my eyes now? My head's getting a little dented.
Happy birthday, Maxwell!
Oh, look at all this. For me?
The other guests will be here soon, but we couldn't wait to show you. Watch this! And now a little something special we put together for you, Maxwell. TJ?
This is some birthday.